Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also, follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be posting for you guys. Follow the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. You can also click on the bell notification after you subscribe so that you will be notified instantly once we drop an update for you. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So this is it. Let's start with our trend first and first. We need to know our trend, and as we can see on our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend move. There is a series of higher high and higher low markets that market is giving us, right? Now take a look at this movement here. So let's start from here for a quick analysis. If this is seen as our high, here can be taken to be our higher low. This is also seen as the higher high, and here is our higher low. Market eventually was able to push up to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market eventually was able to push up again to form a new high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on Swiss franc JPY will be a bullish move that should eventually give us a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on our Swiss franc JPY. So whatever you would want to be doing on Swiss franc JPY, you would want to be going in for the buy. So a bullish move is what you should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. Now let's take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. This is our support level here, right here. So market was able to push up and it pulled back to test this level. Market eventually push up again, and now we've come back to test this level. With this movement, we'll be expecting market to push up one more time. So for the day, we are going bullish on Swiss franc JPY. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, subscribe, like, and share.